We had the Eclipse in New York, and it wasn't, it wasn't what the hype machine would say, but it was cool. It was really cool. I created some videos. I'll share them out with you guys officially once I do the YouTube link. But just like once in a lifetime, and I'm a bit of a Bible nerd. It was weird to see it get completely black in the middle of the day, just like to where the street lights came on, y'all. And I said to Yvonne, I said, this must have been how it was when Jesus hung on the cross and they said the sun stopped shining. Um, but just like a once in a life experience, that has literally been my high for the week. Just being able to see that and experience it. And Lord willing, in 20 years or whatever, we're due to have another one.